pause, breathing in deep until there's calm. Peace comes as we pause, breathing in deep until there's calm. Only I'll make still this weather in me. I breathe in, I breathe out, till my energy slows. Different meaning, expectations, they leave us deafened by pride. I will listen, find acceptance, a choice to actively love. Peace comes as we pause, breathing in deep until there's calm. Peace comes as we pause, breathing in deep until there's calm. Only I'll make still this weather. Only I'll make still this weather in me.
Oh, here the ocean is near, where you dug a hole and buried my fear. And we scattered like trees, sometimes in line, but I'm down all the time. You wait, but still it's trouble by trouble by trouble by trouble. Too late, it's all trouble by trouble by trouble by trouble now. Arrived late at the scene, nothing makes sense, don't know what you mean. You can't put all things aside, there's no way out, and God knows I've tried. For better or worse, it's trouble by trouble by trouble by trouble. So save your tears, 'cause it's trouble by trouble by trouble by trouble now. You take all that is left, nothing to mold, and no looking back. Aside, we're caught in the wind, where our story ends, another begins. You wait, but still it's trouble by troubled by trouble. Too late, it's all troubled by trouble now. my second nature are my least favorite state of mind. But I go there all the time, all the time. Oh, I go there all the time, all the time. You're up in the sky, I'll carry you home, home to the mountaineers. And soon, my friend, you'll see them again, the ones you left behind, the ones you left behind. And I'll sing for you all the way home. But why does it feel like home isn't home? I've been in this war too long. It's in the air that I breathe, oh, it's in the trees. It shivers down my spine. It shivers down my spine. I just sing my song as I walk through the gate. And there she stands just like before, but she doesn't look the same. The fear in her eyes, I've seen it before, and she can't recall my name. No, she can't recall my name. And so I sing to her as I fall. A shimmering light as I hit the ground. The lover had a gun. Now it's you that I see, home of the brave. Oh, how you bother me. Oh, the things you let me see. But still I sing for you my last song. Oh, my last song. watching the stars and the city lights. Right from the start, said we never grow apart, dear Wichita. You wanted me to know, never ever let you go, dear Wichita. Surrounded by colors, it's such a sight. Watching all the lovers fall into the night. All the moods in a heartbeat. We're going back where it all began. The same ground under our feet. Starts to shake with you all we can. Winter turned to spring. I remember everything from Wichita. This town is on its knees, you know God is overseas, I'm telling ya. Oh, it's more to this than what you see. You know this town's got the best of me. Are we sure it's the last time? Sure that this is the last time. Oh, we were down by the river all through the nights, watching the stars and the city lights. And all the moods in a heartbeat. We're going back where it all began. The same ground under our feet. Starts to shake with you all we can. But we're caught in a landslide, so we stay up to the morning light. The tales we were told we would never grow old here in Wichita.
rest beneath the willow, the willow. So many years, too many tears on your pillow, on your pillow.
fire, our house, our dreams. We were dancing on a wire, reckless it seemed. We found holes in these walls, we like what we saw. Seems so strong until it falls, the final straw. Oh, I never felt like this before. When I was trapped, you showed an open door. Living in a dark, clouded haze, we danced, we fought. We were bound to make mistakes, real love, we thought. But it was always on fire, our house, our dreams. We were dancing on wire, reckless it seemed. I never felt like this before. When I was trapped, you showed an open door. I had no reason to complain. I didn't have the words to explain. Dancing on a wire. Yeah, we were dancing on a wire.